Hi, welcome back to ODE. My name is Paulo and I'm here again with another unboxing. And I'm showing you a pen that I received today and I'm quite excited. Sometimes I get into some different sub-collections for my fountain pen collection, and as I'm currently trying to sell some pens to find and to be able to afford the ones that I want a little bit more now, I found another model that I really like and I'm trying to get some variations of it. So today that's what I'm going to show you. Let's open this package that I received from Germany, and I think I'll open in this side. So Victorinox knife as usual with this nice blade, and let's cut the package. I felt first, and the pen I think is in the middle, so I'm not cutting through the pen. And we have a pen that came from Germany, and it is a German pen. Let's hope it's there. A white one. Yes, I don't really like that much white pens, but I had to get this one. Just let's hope it was not bent in the way, or the package was not bent like this or anything. So the pen is okay, I hope. And yes, it looks like it is okay. There is just a little bit of some small dirty things. Okay, so here you have this pen, and it's nice when we see the pen with the number. So what is this? This is a Lamy CP1, and I'm quite excited to have this one. It still has the price tag. I'm not sure if I will keep it this way or not. I have to decide that. I have to think about it. So this is a Lamy CP1, and this is the white with black trim version. As far as I searched online, there is another version which is white with gold trim. Never saw that for sale. So this is an interesting variation. It has some darker marks here, but they may go away, I think. There. I have to clean it. So it's interesting. And let's take a look at the nib. The nib seems to be a little bit discolored at some points, but I think it's nice. It doesn't have Lamy engraved, I think, which is quite usual for the older Lamy CP1s. And let me just check if it has a converter. I'm not sure. No, not a converter or anything, just the section here in the pen. So this is the Lamy CP1 in the white version. So this one is model 57 there. This pen is interesting. It has Lamy there on the side. They usually have Lamy here on the side of the clip, but this one has printed on the barrel. And let me try to see if it has the Germany writing beneath the clip, but I don't think I can see it. So this is an interesting pen. I hope this video is not a lot out of focus, because sometimes I have the camera there and I'm seeing the pen and not looking through the viewfinder, so sometimes I may forget that. this is an interesting pen, as I was telling. It is a slim pen, that kind of pen that you can take in a notebook or something like that, to be next to you to write, to take notes. I would say it is quite a good traveling pen, not a short one, it's not a pocket, but it is very slim pen. This is, as I was telling you, this is the 57, the model 57. There is currently, today, by Lamy, two models being sold. One is the 53, I think, which is the one that is platinum plated, and there is another one which is this one, and this is the 56. So you can see they are the same pen. This one doesn't have Lamy engraved also, and it is exactly the same pen, the same design, everything, the section is the same. You should be able to exchange caps if you want, no trouble with that. I also have already in my collection other models which are an older version of this 56, which is the 58. It seems to be the same pen, but it is not. It is slimmer than that one. It is an older version, and when you look at the nibs, even the nibs are slightly different. The way that they go into the feed, and even the feed style is different. They are different pens. These will not fit the current Lamy Safari nibs, but these can receive those nibs, and the pen is like this. It is the same pen, but it is a little bit slimmer. You can see there, and it is slim, and you can see that I have its cap here, and if I try to put the cap in this pen, it will not go in. It is stuck there because it really is a slimmer pen. So the model 56, this is 58, the older one, the 56, which is the current one, the 57, which is the white with black trim. I also have the stainless steel, the brushed steel version, which is interesting. I like a lot this finish, very beautiful. And this one is the 59. There is also another model which is the 50, and the 50 is the same finish but with the same diameter as the 58. And then I have also the 55, which is this metallic gray, which is an interesting color with a black end to the barrel, and here it is. So I'm quite excited to being able to increase my Lamy CP1 family, which is a family of pens that I really like. I don't love slim pens, I prefer them to be on the girthy side, but I think these are very classy. I like the way they are designed. They were designed by the same designer that made the Lamy 2000, and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video, and also the extra information I shared about this model. If you know more variations, if you know anything else to tell me about the Lamy, please let me know. I have some other stuff from some other Lamy CP1 coming on the mail, and I think when I have enough YouTube money, I will try to go maybe for the one that is with the platinum coating, which is much more expensive, and it has some ridges. It is a fluted pen, so I will have it someday. So this is all I had to show you. A pen that I was not expecting to be willing to add to my collection, which is a white pen, and this is it. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I will meet you here in the next video. Bye!